What is your name? What is your name?
My name is John. My name is John.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Syria. I am from Syria.
Where do you come from? Where do you come from?
I came from Lebanon. I came from Lebanon.
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks.
How do you do? How do you do?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
What's your surname? What's your surname?
My surname is Kennedy. My surname is Kennedy.
What's your family name? What's your family name?
My family name is Hathaway. My family name is Hathaway. What's your first name? What's your first name?
My first name is Lily. My first name is Lily.
What's your address? What's your address?
My address is Beirut, Al-Hammersaint. My address is Beirut, Al-Hammersaint.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Paris. I live in Paris.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
My phone number is 99884499. My phone number is 99884499. What's your email? What's your email?
jack33@gmail.com. jack33@gmail.com.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 13 years old. I am 13 years old.
When were you born? When were you born?
I was born in 1999. I was born in 1999.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Japan. I was born in Japan.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I am not. No, I am not.
What's your marital status? What's your marital status?
I am married, single, divorced. I am married, single, divorced.
What do you do for life? What do you do for life?
I'm a pilot. I'm a pilot.
What is your job? What is your job?
I am a professor at the university. I am a professor at the university.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
I went to the supermarket. I went to the supermarket.
What did you do? What did you do?
Nothing. Nothing.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
I was at home. I was at home.
Have you got a house or a car? Have you got a house or a car?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. No, I haven't.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't.
How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have?
I have 10 friends. I have 10 friends.
Can you play basketball? Can you play basketball?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Can you speak Arabic English, German? Can you speak Arabic, English, German?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
It is winter. It is winter.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. No, thank you. Yes, thank you. No, thank you.
May I try on? May I try on?
No, you may not. No, you may not.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It is $1. It is $1.
How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay?
Cash Visa card. Cash Visa card.
What's that? What's that?
It is a bird. It is a bird.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 9:30. It's 9:30.
What do you like, prefer to drink? What do you like, prefer to drink?
I like tea. I like tea.
Where is the bank, the station? Where is the bank, the station?
It is near the corner. It is near the corner.
Who wrote this book? Who wrote this book?
Shakespeare wrote this book. Shakespeare wrote this book.
Can I smoke here? Can I smoke here?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. No, you can't. No, you can't.
May I open the window? May I open the window?
Yes, you may. Yes, you may.
Is there a supermarket near here? Is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, there's one about 100 feet from here. Yes, there's one about 100 feet from here.
Do you have another size? Do you have another size?
Sure. No, sorry. Sure. No, sorry.
Where is your place? Where is your place?
It's right there around the corner. It's right there around the corner.